So good morning, Woodpeckers. This is the last lesson this week on column addition that I'm teaching you. We're on Thursday the 21st of January, and this time we are looking at the hundreds column. That's the one that's going to change when we do our column addition. Okay, so there's the horizontal sum, okay, 4,331, add 1,831. We rewrite it in two ways. First with the numbers in the column addition sum, then using our visual dots so that we can look at the visual representation of what these numbers represent. Okay, let's go to the visual side. Simply add up the dots in the ones column. We know that's not going to change, so 1 and 1 equals 2, and there's my 2 dots. If we go to the tens column now, it's 1, 2, 3, add 1, 2, 3, which is 6 dots in total. That's why I put the 6 there, and I've also started with the column addition formal method. Hundreds column, this is what we need to focus on. So I've got 300 representing the 300 here, and I've got 8 dots representing the 800 there. So we're essentially saying, what is 800 add 300? The answer is 1,100. Now that is made up of 1 1,000 and 1 100. So what do? I make sure that I do my regrouping. Okay, so it's made up of 1 100, so that can go in there. And my 1 1,000 that I regroup goes over there. So that is the answer to what the 8 and the 3 represents. It's 800 add 300, it equals 1,100. That's when I regroup. Okay, so 1,100 is made up of 1 100, and we obviously got our 1,000. Okay, that's how we regroup. And now I add up my dots in my thousands column. So it's 4, 5, 6. Okay, I've added that on, so I'm going to take that off. And let's check here that we got the same answer. 8 add 3, so 800 add 300 is 1,100, which is made up of 1,000 and 100. And then I add up my thousands column. 4, 5, and my 1 at the bottom makes 6. 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 1, 6, 2. There we go. So remember the regrouping, it's the hundreds column because simply we are adding 800 add 300. Remember then that equals 1,100. We need to regroup 1,100, and it makes 1 1,000 there and 1 in the hundreds column, which goes there. There's your answer. So remember, if the hundreds column goes over 1,000, which it has done, it's gone to 1,100, we must regroup. Okay, we cannot write 1,000 in the hundreds column. It's as simple as that. Okay, so look at what the number becomes. It becomes 1,100, and therefore we have to regroup. So 1 goes in the hundreds column. There's the 1, and the 1,000 goes under the 1,000 column. It's as simple as that. Okay. I think tomorrow you might be looking at thousands, or you might be looking at multiple columns. Okay. So best of luck with Mrs. Nicholson's lesson tomorrow.